Hi guys, welcome back to Jam Cubing. Today I'm going to be fixing my friend's Rubik's Cube. Well, he just wants it cleaned, but I'm going to make it better anyway, so... he paid me about £1 to do all of it. So this is my friend's cube. It's really fast. It's a Monster Go. It's really fast. You can do like U2s easily. Sometimes you can do U4s, but... it's gotten slower for some reason. Also, it's really dusty on the inside. So, he paid me £1 to clean it. So, I'm going to also adjust the tensions really quick as well. I also need to adjust the tensions. To make the corner cutting better. This is what I do every single time when I mod a cube. So every time when I take it apart, it doesn't just break itself. So I loosen it pretty much all the way, and then I tighten it again to get an even feel across the cube. Okay, it's really fast again. Okay, so I made it as fast as I can, as fast as it will go. So, also I heard that there's a loose magnet in here somewhere, which is really bugging me. So, I'm gonna fix that for him really quick. So, let's take out an edge. Wait. Oh. Yeah, I think it's this one or this one. I think it's one of the white corners. It's one of the red corners, that's all I know. So, let's just do that. Oh, that is disgusting. Also, the edge pieces look really weird. No, so Monster Go is owned by GAN. So, this is what a normal GAN piece looks like. You also know it's owned by GAN because it's got that honeycomb pattern to it. Oh yeah, I forgot to test the corner cutting. It's quite good. So let's just take it all apart really quickly. Okay. Let's take it all apart. All the GAN cubes come partially lubed. This one's not really lubed anymore. There's just like no lube left whatsoever. So I'll lube it at the end. But let's grab my cleaning cloth. It's a bit dirty. It should be fine. It's like a microfiber cloth. Let's just start cleaning it off. Just start cleaning this nice and well. Hopefully this should look new. Let's check inside. See if the magnets are loose. Nope, the magnets aren't loose. That's good. That's very good. So first thing I do is clean all the edges, because the edges are the hardest to clean and they take the longest. So I'm just going to fast forward through this. So, now. You also need to clean the core as well, but I'm not gonna really do that right now. So I'm almost done with all the edges. The flip-flop. Why do the corner pieces look so weird? They've got these like weird patterns on their feet. Oh, make sure it's nice and clean. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. There's one more edge piece left. Ew, oh, that is crusty. That was crusty. That's nice and clean. I'll do the tensioning after. That core was like... This is like a really bad core, cheap core. Monster Go core. What is that? How much core lube do they put in that thing, bro? Finally, the easy part. Go. So I need to figure out a way how to clean these faster. Yep. Oh, this is taking forever. Okay, now I have to clean the core. Shouldn't take too long. Yeah, that's all clean. Just checking something really quick. Okay, good. Anyway, get out of that. Also, there's no spring noise. There's like no spring noise. This kind of has a bit of spring noise, but there's no spring noise other than that. There's no spring noise. Okay, now we need to put all of this back together. So that doesn't really take you that long. First, like you build it back together like how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Like you build the cross pieces. You build all the cross pieces. Literally, you build them this time. Build all the cross pieces. Then next, you put in the corners, which doesn't take too long if you're sorting through a stickerless one. Then you need edges. Then you build. That's the first layer, and then you build the second layer. My hands are covered in lube now, it's so annoying. And then you put it in the right spot. Okay. Then you put in the corners. I hate GAN cubes so much. Well, the turning is amazing, but the maintenance is just horrible. Because you're gonna... It's definitely slowed down a ton. I swear there's a loose magnet somewhere, I swear. There's a loose magnet somewhere. And it's annoying me so much. It's somewhere on the red side. And I hate to annoy my friend who owns this Rubik's Cube. So I'm just going to fix the magnet for him if I can. If I can open up this corner, that is. Okay, I can't open up the corner, so I can't fix. Sorry, mate, I can't fix the corner. Can't fix his corner. I can't fix his corner. If anything, it's got faster, actually. It's so annoying. Why? Why does that exist? It's so annoying. It's genuinely... Ew! Anyway, so now he's asked me to lube it. So grabbing some lube, let's just put 2 drops in there. To the other side. Like 5 drops, I guess. Okay, so that was a U6. Very good. That is right. I just made a faster cube. I already made a fast cube. I made a fast cube faster. I didn't even know that's possible, but I mean it happened. So it's horrible. Why did my friend ask me? I mean, my friend's a beginner. Like, he uses beginner method, but who would need a cube this fast? Who would need a cube this fast? Why? Why does this exist? You can do M3s in one flick. Ew. No. No. This has to be like one of the fastest turning GAN cubes. Well, Monster Go cubes I've ever touched. I'm just going to keep on calling it a GAN cube because it's owned by GAN and it's good enough. That magnet is really annoying me. I'm just doing a couple solves on it to break in the lube. That's super fast. Like, I hate for my friend to get worse times, But I mean, it's way too fast. It's way too fast. This is just... That's just way too fast. Wait, what if I add that lube to my GAN cube? Let's see what happens, because I don't lube this cube that often, so it's super crusty on the inside. See, it's like black on the inside and it's got white feet, so... Let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, this is the Monster Go EDU. I think it's like a £12 Rubik's Cube. Which is like $20 in the US, I'm not sure. Let's add some of that lube to my cube. There we go. That's how much, that's exactly the same amount of lube that I could only do U2s. This is like the most controllable GAN I've ever touched. Actually, no, the most controllable GAN I've ever touched is my friend's GAN. Which is, actually, it's a smart cube. So it turns really well. It's the GAN 12 UI. So his cube is about £40. Yeah, it's super expensive. Like, it's, I'd say it's probably not worth it to get a smart cube. I'd say it's not worth it to get a smart cube, but you do what you want, it's your money. So that's the most my GAN can turn. That was a U3. Then, meanwhile, my MoU has got black internals now. I guess let's add some of that lube. Let's add some of that. It's super dry, so let's add a bit more than usual. Right, all the lube's on the outside now. Yeah, this is like the most controllable, but this is like the fastest controllable cube you can get. Like, this is a MoU made on 3M. Well, was a 3M. Now it's just a 3. Because it's bad. The magnets fell out. Luby fingers. Yeah, this is how many turns. It can only do U2. This does U3s. No problem. What? What is this? Why? I need to fix that corner though. Well, this is the end of the video, so thank you for watching, and yeah. I'll do an update on how I'm doing, but in Beat Saber, because I'm going to be playing with one of my friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.